Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to extend what we've done over the past couple videos about searching for substrings. And it dawned on me as I was finishing this up, this is only partially realistic. We need to wrap this in a function. So if you don't recall, go back to, it's like video 3 or 4 for functions, writing a function in a script, and I talk about wrapping it. So basically it's just putting whatever information you have into a callable, recallable function. So, and also I was thinking about it, in case you're watching this and you don't know, I'm going to have some print formats, and those are on video 49 and 73. And also, if you're not sure what a while loop is, because we're really not going to go through this again. So there are other videos about this, but the previous one about this and a while loop on 23. So alright, one important thing about programming is you do not want to copy and paste. You want to get in the habit of retyping. So, alright, so what we're going to do is the first is going to be our string. The second is the substring. So alright, now we can leave this here and we can go through it. So we need our variables, count, place, 0 and 0. While, now this is what's going to change. Alright, and also let's add our subs. Okay, so now this is what's going to change. That was our full string, right? So this is our full string. So s dot find. Now this is also going to change. This is our substring. This is our variable for it. So sub, still place, and everything else, we're only going to change one more thing. Greater than, equal to 0. Oops. And then place equals string dot find sub place. Oops. And then we're about to change one more thing. Count increment is still the same. Now, this is what's going to change. Since we're creating a function, we actually want to create some variable. When we used print last time, I just put stuff out to the screen. So we're wanting to create, so we need to use the return. Now again, I'm going to do something on format here. And if you don't understand this, go back and look at video 73 and 49. So, okay. And then what did I say? Happens. One more times. There we go. Dot format. Then count, sub, and count. Alright, now here's what's important. We want to then run this. So, and also when you're running a function that has a return, you need to wrap it in print, a print function. Sub, string, and then now we use our variables. Dad and sub. Close it out, run this, boom. Dad happens 4 times. And you can say whatever you want. Appears, happens, and then to just show, shockingly, guess what we're going to look for? And we're going to look for mom. Let's run this. Mom happens 0 times because we're checking this right here. So there you go. That is a more realistic use of this, where we're wrapping it in a function so we can actually go through. And there's one more way, and then actually I'm going to comment on another way that you can, but it doesn't capture. I haven't talked about that yet. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to click that bell for the notifications, because we're having videos come out all the time. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave any comments or requests of videos, because I really like getting those, and those are very handy. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.